Hey, Scott. Thank you so much for posting that question. That was a great question, and it's so applicable. It's applicable to everybody who comes into this program wanting to become a master manifester because that's what it takes, letting go. So, your question was you feel stuck, first of all, and your question is how do you stop asking, when is it coming? How is it coming? Again, it's a very, very common concern. But I want you to know that it's possible to let it go. So think of it like this. You're doing your laundry and the washing machine is cleaning the clothes, and you decide to go over to the washing machine to check and see if the clothes are clean. You open the machine, you take the clothes out, you see that they're not as clean as you like, you put them back in the machine, let the machine wash them for a few minutes more. You then go back to the machine, take the clothes out again to check again. So all you're doing is slowing down the process. That's what you're actually doing. You're not getting the clothes any more thoroughly clean. You're not getting them cleaned any faster, that's for sure. What you're doing is slowing down the process. And the same thing is applicable to your manifestations. So whenever you go back in and you start mulling around in your desire that you've already sent to the universe, now you're slowing down the process. And we don't want that. So what I'm going to suggest you do is go back to module H. I know you're past module H, 1H that is, I'm sorry. Go back to 1H, do the 5-step process for 3 items, 3 desires each day. You do the 5-step process for desire number 1, then number 2 and 3, and then after that, after the third one, you're going to do the mantra, I believe in the miraculous. But I'm going to throw something in there. Now, you know me well enough to know that if I think something is applicable, I'm going to do a little twisting. So here's a little twist for you. After you've done, well, before I go there, Deepak Chopra talks about the letting and allowing aspect of our manifestations. He talks about it being us tossing it, rather, into the sea of unlimited possibilities. So that's what I want you to do. After you've completed the 5-step process for desire number 1, imagine in your mind that you've written your desire on a piece of paper. You've rolled the paper up, you put it in a glass bottle, put the cap on the bottle, and toss that desire into the sea of unlimited possibilities. And you'll have to leave it there. You can't go back into the sea to get the desire. You can't go back and get that bottle. It's gone. The universe has it. So that is exactly what I want you to do for each of your desires. You complete the 5-step process, throw the bottle into the sea of unlimited possibilities, do the mantra at the end of all of that. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I want you to complete that, and then please each evening send me a text, a real quick text, completed my 3 steps, completed my 3 desires, and I've tossed each into the sea of unlimited possibilities, and I'm good to go. All right. Thank you so much for the question again. You're doing amazing. I'm so proud of you. If you have any other questions, though, let me know, Scott. Have a good evening.